Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 5.5 and question is solve these word problems. First is find the smallest number which when divided by 54 and 66 leaves no remainder. In this question we will find LCM. LCM of 54 and 66. We have to find. So, we will find prime factors of 54 and 66. 54 and 66 both are even number, can be divided by 2. So, the quotient is 27 and 66 divided by 2 is 33. Now, 27 and 33 both are odd numbers, cannot be divided by 2. So, we will take next prime number, that is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9 and 33 divided by 3 is 11. Again both are odd numbers, cannot be divided by 2, so the next prime number is 3. 3 3 the 9. As 11 cannot be divided by 3 will be brought down as it is. Again 3 is divisible by 3. So quotient is 1 here and we'll bring down 11 as it is. And the next prime number which is divisible by 11 is 11 only, because it is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7. So 11 1 the 11. So the prime factors of 54 and 66 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. When we multiply all these factors, we get 594. Therefore, 594 is the smallest number which when divided by 54 and 66 leaves no remainder. Means when we divide 594 by 54, we get no remainder. Again, when we divide 594 by 66, we get no remainder. Second question is find the least number which when divided by 25 and 30 leaves 10 as remainder. In this question we will find LCM. For finding LCM we have to find the prime factors of 25 and 30. 30 is an even number, can be divided by 2, so we'll take 2 as prime factor here. 25 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down as it is. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now, both are odd numbers, cannot be divided by 2, we'll take next prime number, that is 3. As 25 cannot be divided by 3, we'll bring down it as it is. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now 25 and 5 both are odd numbers and these are not divisible by 2 and 3. So the next prime number after 2 and 3 is 5. 5 5 the 25 and 5 1 the 5. Again 5 is divisible by 5, so we'll take 5 1 the 5 and the quotient is 1. So the LCM of 25 and 30 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. When we multiply all these, we get 150. Now for finding the least or smallest number which when divided by 25 and 30 leaves 10 as remainder, what we do? We add remainder to the LCM. So the LCM we found here is 150 and the remainder is 10. If we add these two, we get 160. So 160 is the smallest number which when divided by 25 and 30 leaves 10 as remainder. Means when we divide 160 by 25 we get 10 as remainder, and again when we divide 160 by 30 we get 10 as remainder. Now third question is what is the least number of children that can be arranged in rows of 12, 16 or 18 in each row. In this question, we will find LCM. So, for finding LCM of 12, 16 and 18, we'll write all the numbers together and find the prime factors. Now we see 12, 16 and 18 all are even numbers, can be divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, 16 divided by 2 is 8, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Again we see 6 and 8 are even numbers, can be divided by 2. So we'll take 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 9 cannot be divided by 2, so we'll write as it is. Again 4 is divisible by 2, so we'll take 2 as factor. 3 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down as it is. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 9 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, so we'll write as it is. Again we see 2 is an even number, we'll take 2 as factor. 3 is not divisible, so we'll write as it is. 2 1 the 2 and 9 we'll write as it is. Again we see both are odd numbers, cannot be divided by 2, we'll take next prime number, that is 3. 3 1 the 3 and 3 3 the 9. Again 3 is divisible by 3, so we'll take 3 1 the 3 and the factors of 12, 16 and 18 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. When we multiply all these factors, we get 144 as LCM. Therefore, at least 144 children can be arranged in rows of 12, 16 or 18 in each row. Now, fourth question is, a certain number of fruits can be arranged in groups of 3, 4, 6 or 8 with no fruit left behind. Find the least number of fruits for the arrangement. Here in this question we will find LCM. Find the prime factors of 3, 4, 6 and 8 here. 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers, can be divided by 2. As 3 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll write as it is. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again we see 2 and 4 are even numbers, so we'll divide by 2. 3 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll write as it is. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 as it is, we'll write. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again we see even number here, we'll divide by 2. We'll write 3 as it is and 3 as it is and 2 1 the 2. We'll write 1 here. Again we see both are odd numbers. 3 is divisible by 3 only. So 3 1 the 3 and 3 1 the 3. Now the LCM of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 24. Therefore, 24 fruits is the least number that can be arranged in groups of 3, 4, 6 or 8 with no fruit left behind. Now the fifth part is, 3 children are walking together in a park. Their steps measure 38 centimeter, 76 centimeter and 96 centimeter respectively. If they step off together, after what distance will they step together again? In this question, we will find LCM of 38, 76 and 96. So we will find prime factors of 38, 76 and 96. As all are even number, can be divided by 2, so the quotient is 19, 38 and 48. Again 38 and 48 even number, can be divided by 2, so we'll divide by 2. 19 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll write as it is. 38 divided by 2 is 19, 48 divided by 2 is 24. Again we see even number here, we'll divide by 2. 19 cannot be divided by 2, will write as it is, and 24 by 2 is 12. Again 12 even number will divide by 2 and will get 6 as quotient. 19 will bring down as it is. Again we see even number can be divided by 2. 19 will write as it is, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again we see the next prime number is 3. 19 will write as it is, cannot be divisible by 3, and 3 1 the 3 will write 1 as quotient here. So next prime number after 3 is 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. It is not divisible by any of the number. Then take next prime number, that is 19. 19 1 the 19 and 19 1 the 19. So the prime factors of 38, 76 and 96 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 19. When we multiply all these factors, we get 1824. Therefore, after 1824 centimeter, 3 children will step off together again in a park. Means they will start again in a park. Now sixth part is Ajay distributes some pebbles among his friends by giving each of them either 8 or 9 or 10. He is left with no pebbles. What is the least number of pebbles he must have? So in this question we will find LCM of 8, 9 and 10. We see 8 and 10 are even number, can be divided by 2. So we'll divide. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 we will bring as it is, not divisible by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Again 4 even number can be divided by 2. So we'll divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Bring down 9 as it is. And 2 again even number. And this is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2. So we'll bring down as it is. Again 2 even number can be divided by 2. So 2 1 the 2. 9 and 5 will be brought down as it is because these both are odd numbers. Next prime number is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. We'll bring down 5 as it is. Again 3 is divisible by 3. We'll divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. We'll bring down 5 as it is. The next prime number is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the prime factors of 8, 9 and 10 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. When we multiply all these factors, we get 360 as LCM. Therefore, Ajay must at least have 360 pebbles. Means if he divides 360 by 8 or 9 or 10, he is left with no pebbles. That's all for today. Bye-bye. Hello children, today we are